This program compiles with no flags at all. Most compilers will build it without saying a word, and it will run, and it will print a number. Look at what it actually does, though. Int x declares a variable and does not give it a value. C does not zero it for you. That is a deliberate design decision about speed, which we come back to in Chapter 5. So x holds whatever bytes happen to be at that address already, and then you print them as if they meant something. With -w all and -w extra switched on, the compiler tells you x is used uninitialized. Reading an uninitialized variable is undefined behavior, and that phrase has a specific and quite brutal meaning in C. The program may print garbage. It may print 0 every time on your machine, convincing you it works. Or the optimizer, which is entitled to assume you never do undefined things, may reason its way into deleting the code entirely. The compiler saw all this and warned you. Listen to it. Here is the second, and it is worse, because it looks so harmless. Print f with a %d conversion, and a double handed to it. %d means the next argument is an int. Go and read an int's worth of bytes from where arguments are passed. But a double was put there instead, in a different place and a different size, so printf reads the wrong bytes from the wrong location and prints whatever they happen to mean. Format string mismatches are undefined behavior, and they are a classic source of both crashes and genuine security vulnerabilities. This exact family of bug has a decades-long history in real software. And here is the good news. -w all catches virtually all of them at compile time before you have run anything. The compiler cross-checks your format string against your arguments, which is a remarkable thing for it to be willing to do, but only if you enable it. So here is the rule for this book, and honestly for the rest of your career: fix every warning before you run the program. Not before you ship it, not before code review, before you run it. The reason is that a C warning is not a style complaint. It is the compiler saying, I can see something here that is very probably a bug, and in an enormous proportion of cases it is exactly right. And if you want to enforce that on yourself, there is a flag. -w error promotes every warning to a hard error, so nothing compiles until the output is completely clean. Most professional C projects build with -w error in continuous integration, precisely so that nobody can wave a warning through on a Friday afternoon. You do not have to turn it on today. But do not let warnings accumulate, because the moment there are 40 of them scrolling past, you have effectively switched them off.